We have been in a meeting with the Vice President, the Minister of Public Service, Permanent Secretary, Minister of Public Service, and the Director General, ISO, who represented the Minister for Security. The Director, Basic and Secondary Education, represented the Permanent Secretary, Minister of Education and Sports. We had a good meeting because it took us around 3 hours discussing in detail the issue of salary enhancement and the decision that was taken by Cabinet.
But the most important in this meeting was that UNATU came out very clearly and said now what they want is the 550 billion, which is supposed to cater for the other teachers and other workers, and also implementation of CBA, which is very, very clear that the CBA was something which was agreed by government and workers. And all the issues were discussed exhaustively.